10 News begins right now with breaking news.
Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Rachel Lucas. Breaking news tonight, it's another mistrial in the manslaughter trial for Brian Salazar. He's accused of killing another man in a downtown Roanoke apartment complex lobby last summer. 10 News reporter Amy Cochran was in the courtroom today, so she's joining us now live. Amy, this is a surprising outcome.
Right, Rachel. This is the second time that a mistrial has been declared. Now, the judge earlier today, he threw out the second-degree murder charge to the jury. They were having to decide between voluntary manslaughter, assault and battery, or not guilty, which is self-defense. Now, clearly, they were having a very difficult time coming up with any conclusion.
We heard a day and a half of arguments and evidence in court as attorneys discussed what led up to the death of Paul Wortham, known to friends as Jay Wright. On Thursday, defendant Brian Salazar took to the stand to describe what happened.
He starts tugging on the door, and next thing you know, he's coming out the door. And I was afraid.
Salazar and friends had the apartment lobby door propped open because they were visiting friends at the Parkway building and didn't have a key card. They say Wortham didn't want the door propped open, leading to the argument. Surveillance video shows the moment Salazar punched Wortham and he fell to the ground.
I'm pacing back and forth. I'm freaking out. I don't know what to do.
Wortham died days later. The defense says Salazar's punch was a move of self-defense after Wortham made threats while advancing towards him.
He took 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. He is now from where he was in a safe position under his own control behind the door to going directly at my client.
Prosecutors say they're not sure verbal threats were made and Salazar could have walked away from the situation.
Take a look at the evidence. Watch the video. Use your common sense.
This case is set to be heard on the November 4th docket. There they will decide what happens next. Live in Roanoke, Amy Cochran, 10 News, working for you.